Hi, this is Mr. Davis. We got the wood shop in the background. What we're going to do here is create a spider web in Gravit. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to bring up Gravit, and I'm going to set my canvas to be 320 by 450. I'm going to make sure I'm on pixels, and I click Create. Now I'm going to hit Control Plus once to make my canvas a little bigger. I'm going to start by taking the line tool, and I am going to go from the top left corner to the bottom right. And I'm going to go back to the line tool, which I can activate by hitting L, and go from the top right corner to the bottom left. Now, continuing to start my spider web, I'm going to draw a vertical and horizontal line using the Shift command. So we click, and I go to Shift. And what that is going to do is that's going to make my line stay straight. Now, I'm above center. So I'm just going to draw the line and use my down arrow to get the proper alignment. I'm going to do the same for the line that goes right up and down there. You can see my guide that lets me know I'm right on center, maybe just a little bit to the left. And I let go, and now I am pretty good shape. What you might want to do now is go File, Save to Local File As. And let's put this into our Google Drive, and this is going to be Screen Castify Sample. My students should save this as Halloween card. Now we're going to go save. And the next step is to use the path tool, which is commonly called pen tool in other programs like Illustrator. So I'm going to just click and move the pen tool to a different spot. Sometimes we don't get a line the first time. So let's try it again. Let's see what we get. You don't want to click and drag because that's going to give you a really bad shaped line. There we go. It's finally working. Sometimes when you have an internet connection problem, you don't get it to draw the line in the beginning. So we're going to complete this path. Now you'll know if you're doing it correctly if you can still see the lines you drew with the line tool. A lot of times you will have a fill turned on by accident. Usually it's a white fill, and you'll notice that you lost your lines in here. So the easy way to get rid of that, okay, is to go back to your selection tool, click the eyedropper, and go off to the side of the canvas. And what that'll do, it's select it again. And there we will see that we got rid of the fill. So now I want to go to the selection tool, back to the path tool. And there we go. We're going to do a whole another path. You want to make sure they're separate. That's why you want to hit the P key and the V key. See, I complete the path. Now I click V. And there you see we go to the selection tool. Now, if you're really skilled, you could go Control-C, Control-V, and copy these and drag them out. I will do that in another lesson to show you how that works. That's how to use the line tool and how to use the pen or path tool to make a web that looks something like this. That is what your final product should look like. Thanks. This is Mr. Davis, and I'll give you another lesson soon on how to complete your Halloween card.